Hey gang, Mark here, the Notary Ninja, Noble Notary Signing Service, and back again. This time we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about a little signing service faux pas here. We're going to kind of raise the flag on a signing service that you should be aware of, and then I'm going to, of course, in turn, give you good news and arm you with some weapons as usual, and what you can do. So first of all, let's put cloud signings under the microscope. Signings is a third company signing service, notorious for their lowball offers. And I forget which platform they're on. Who really cares? But they are located in Springfield, Pennsylvania, and they are owned by this turd right here, Gurav Dugal. And so what Cloud Signings did, they had a little notary faux pas, is what I call it. And the faux pas was that they sent me one of their email marketing campaigns by mistake. I will show you why it's by mistake, because when I got that email, immediately within minutes later, I got this: please disregard prior email sent in error, because you didn't mean to send it to a notary. You meant to send it to, well, title companies that they're marketing to. So, but let's break this down. Let's look at the philosophy of cloud signings. Look at the mindset of Guru, and let's throw him under the microscope. Let's throw him under the bus. Let's kick dirt in his face because, well, he's a turd. But again, I've never done any signings for cloud signings. I never will. I hope you never do either. I hope we choke them out of existence because their philosophy stinks. But like I said, stick with me because I'm going to show you, I'm going to shine the light on this. Okay. I'm going to shed a little light at the end of the tunnel. I'm going to arm you with some stuff. So, cloud signings. Here's their email that they sent, which is horrible. It's a horrible email and a horrible template. But here's their pitch. So this they would ideally be sending to title and escrow companies. Are you paying too much for notary? We think so. Let us cut your costs and improve quality and satisfaction for your client. Competitive rates and give the best customer service in the industry. Give us a try. Our prices are lower than independent notaries and other signing services and does not skim on the quality. Well, here's the thing. If you are pitching out low offers to notaries because you are undercutting notaries and undercutting other signing services, you know the saying, you get what you pay for. Well, you're definitely going to be skimming on the quality because you're going to be getting either inexperienced notaries who don't know better with the price, or you're going to be giving people who just don't give a crap because the pay was hardly worth the effort they put in. So let's continue. Let us work for you. Let our expert team find and book the right loan signing agent, get the job done, run right. Mobile notaries in all 50 states. Special offer. Sign up today and get one free closing on us just for trying us. We give you our commitment and quality work, 24/7 support. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. And this message came from Angela Chromians, the operations manager for Cloud Signing, who I've heard, rumor has it, that there's been pay issues with them. I can't personally speak for that. Well, I've never done any for them because anytime I see their offer come by, I just chuckle at it and dismiss. Um, but I've heard through the grapevine payment issues. I've also heard that they were operating under another company name before, so they changed name before. But again, I haven't done my homework on that to detect that. But we can see by these email campaign what they think of you as the notary. They think they will um, pee out some ridiculously low offer to you. They expect you to do quality work while they undercut both notary to title direct and undercut even other signing services like mine. Let's talk about what you can do about this. Okay, for starters, this email campaign is horrible. This is just a horrible pit. But what can you learn from this? Well, what you can learn from this is that they are, in fact, how they are getting clientele isn't by this crappy website they have. It is by their email marketing, their email outreach. Okay, that is a marketing tactic that they are using. That is a marketing tactic that I use. Now, you guys, I use some YouTube stuff. I use a little paid ads. I use search engine optimization. But I also use cold outreach. It is great. It is a way to get those title direct to make those connections. So you can do better than this. You can create a better offer than this, and you can set up email campaigns that are more or less on autopilot for you, doing work for you in the background to help you build your notary business. So how do you do that? Well, let me just talk about email marketing. First of all, email marketing is great. It's cheap. It's probably the cheapest form of marketing. Best of my knowledge, it's still actually one of the best marketing methods. Text message is climbing up there. There's kind of some conflicting data. Text message marketing also has a lot of restrictions on it, where email, email marketing, obviously cloud signings, what you can do about a company like this, basically insulting you and kicking out lowball offers, well, just don't work for them. Just raise the bar, don't work for them. You'll choke them out. If they can't fill orders, they won't be now, or they'll have to change their prices, right? Gurav, that's right, Gurav. All right, good news. Email marketing for notaries. Yes, I'm gonna show you how it's done. I'm gonna show you how it's done for and dirt cheap. So check this out. You can actually send 50 emails a day on automation um, with the right software. You can get all those leads of title companies pretty much free with the right software. And of course, you can craft an offer that is written much better than cloud signings with my help with email marketing for notaries. Let's say you want to dial up the amplitude, which is exactly what companies like Cloud Signings, I'm assuming, are doing with their horrible script. Uh, you can send up to 500 a day for $20 a month, 500 emails a day. Do you think that would have an impact on your business? Of course it will. You'll start getting more title clients that way. So I can show you how to do that. I can show you how to set all that up without a whole lot of special equipment, kind of a 1, 2, 3 step process with email marketing for notaries. But I even go in as far as showing you the script, how to set up the different softwares, the scripts I use, the sequences I use. Let's take a look behind the scenes. So marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to market. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you scripts I use, exact campaigns that I've used. I am going to show you how to template your signature, how to navigate the Google Suite. I'm going to show how to get the of companies to market to, how to get, and I'm going to show you how to install software into your Gmail um, that can allow you to load up large quantities and just do what we call dripping out emails to them, even with auto follow-ups. I'm going to show a whole bunch of different email marketing techniques, including scraping emails so that you can start email marketing your business. Think about it. You can only, if you're doing, you're kind of walking into title companies or you're calling them, well, you can only call so many of them in a day or in an hour or whatever time you have. And you can only pop by and visit so many, and they're usually going to be local. So how are you going to reach ones that are further out? And how do you determine the right ones to reach? Well, show you all that stuff in this email marketing course. Um, it's going to 10x your business. You're going to have one more thing going for you. Once you kind of set it up, it works. So check that out. Of course, I will have links in the description for email marketing. So you can basically you can scale your business and market the way signing services do. You have proof here. Uh, this guy here, if he can send that crummy email and build a signing service, you can build your 1 man mobile notary service, sending better email campaigns. And I'm telling you, he's doing it. I'm doing it. This is what a lot of people do. It's just a great way to make more connections, to get more title direct. So check that out. Links in the description. Learn the right way to email market. Learn how to do it efficiently, quickly, and at high volume, and scale your business up. So that is it for today. The Notary Ninja is out.